Alright, so I just got this Lifepo4 battery. It's a Scorpion Stinger. That's the name of the company. There's the model number. I was really shocked with how light it was, so I thought I'd do a quick review. Here's the battery itself, and it comes with this really cool little tester here. You hold it down. Yeah, there you go. Put a good amount of pressure on it. Hold it down and it'll tell you know if it's full. You have to push pretty hard. There we go. We'll let you know if it's full, medium, or low. What I was really shocked by was how light it was. So I went to go grab my little scale to see how many pounds it weighs. So there it is. On the scale, it's coming up with just a little over 2 pounds, which is great, you know. Less weight you have on your bike, you know, the better MPG you can get. So here's my old battery, which I've been having trouble with these batteries. They keep dying on me. So I thought I would upgrade and try this new battery out. So there it is, just come out of the box. I got my multimeter here. So the website I ordered it from, you know, they say they charge these things fully before they send them out and test them out. So let's give it a little try. Okay, hooked up, and there it is, 13.24 volts. So thus far I'm pretty impressed. Do another video real quick when I put it in and crank it over for the first time.